guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to poach chicken thighs. Now, I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but you can use the ones with bone in and skin on as well. This method works with both. For the job, I'm using a stock pot, and as you can see, I have nothing in it. And I'm gonna place the chicken directly in the pot. You want to start out with the chicken at room temperature, or cold is fine, since we're gonna be adding cold water right over our chicken. Now I have about 2 pounds of chicken in here, and that was about 4.5 cups of water. It really doesn't matter how much water you put on there, as long as you have about 2 to 4 inches of your chicken is covered. You wanna have plenty of room for the chicken to cook in the boiling water. To the cold water, I'm adding some salt, also adding some whole peppercorns, or ground pepper works in a pinch. Then I have some dried spices and some fresh herbs from my garden, but you add whatever you want to your water. You will be discarding the water, so it doesn't matter what you put in it. The idea is to season your chicken well. Once our water and chicken comes up to a nice rolling boil like this, we take our lid and cover our pot, and then we turn off our heat. We're gonna let the chicken rest for 20 minutes in here undisturbed, and it's going to cook in this hot water. Now, after 20 minutes, we are going to remove the chicken from the pot with some tongs, and as you can see, the chicken, it looks cooked. It's nice and juicy. It's been cooked in water, so it's very moist. Now, the best part about this chicken, I'm gonna show you the inside, but it's perfect for baking dishes, making soups, salads, enchiladas. You can easily shred it. Make sure you watch my video on how to shred chicken thighs, which I'll put up for you next. And let me just show you real close how juicy and tender the meat is. It's nice and cooked inside. And for more tips and videos like this one, give it a thumbs up. Check the description box with the measurements and recipes for your chicken thighs. See you next time.